Oh my.
Having another chewy bar.
Alright, first step.
So first step is all the ice cubes.
Yep. Just pour them on in there. You're gonna wanna add a little bit of mustard.
Yeah, a little bit of mustard.
Shake her on up. That off-brand Big Y kind.
Make sure it has all the the liquidy stuff. Only the liquidy stuff goes in there. Then some caramel. You know, to give it a little bit of sweetness.
I have to add more.
Yeah, then you have to drink.
So stretchy.
All right. And then the hot sauce, of course.
All in.
All of it in there. And then the milk.
Yep, main ingredient. Dump her on it.
Then that's not.
Now, an egg is optional, alright?
Yeah, an egg is optional. We're not doing it right now because I'm actually gonna drink it. It's next to the ketchup. Then, soy sauce.
So, do your slurp sound.
Mama!
No, the slurp sound.
Right? And then some barbecue sauce.
Oh, yeah.
Get it all in there. And maple syrup.
Hey, no, Nadine, you also have...
Oh, yeah.
And you also have hot sauce to add in.
Alright, some maple syrup.
It actually doesn't look that bad.
Are you sure?
It smells like it's milk. It smells horrible.
Alright, next up is some applesauce.
I can't.
Hey, get a big old scoop out of there.
I can't get it.
It doesn't look bad because of the milk. And now
A nice little scoop in there.
the milk just kind of cooking.
No, look at have there. Right?
Add some relish stuff.
Some hot sauce.
It's relish.
No, actually
so
hot
bad.
sauce.
It's relish.
No, it's not. You smell the hot sauceness. Alright. Then some of this red hot original Frank's hot sauce. Hot. That's how you can tell it's hot. Right? And then finally,
I'm gonna break it.
Whipped cream on
the cream on the top.
Hurry, before you go.
Soon.
What does that do? Hurry, that would
Now, it's more ingredient. A little bit more hot sauce. Stop. Alright. And then another ingredient is this parsley right here.
This sounds so wrong.
And then just put it all in there.
I don't know, just put it somewhere.
What?
Wait, does it look weird? It looks still like
It was round. Optional, but we're just gonna add a little bit of toast. You know? Right here. Final result did look like before we destroy it. Do that. Are all in there.
It's not big enough cup. It's not a big enough cup.
I'm not drinking it all. Now, it should look kind of orangey, as you can clearly see. Alright. And then, we're just gonna drink it. I'm not kidding. It's sizzling.
Dean, you have to. Dean, you have to swallow it right now. Oh my.
Stay tuned for more tips and tricks and awesome vlogs for food. This is the after result.
Ew, looks like throw up.